Wiring ducts are generally classified as wireways. The National Electrical Code defines a wireway as an enclosed channel designed exclusively for housing and protecting electrical wires and cables. Regarding fill capacity, the National Electrical Code specifies the maximum fill capacity for wireways in Article 376.24. For wireways used for 400 volts or less, the cross-sectional area of the conductor fill should not exceed 50% of the interior cross-sectional area of the wireway. In addition to the National Electrical Code fill capacity requirement, there are other factors to consider when installing wiring duct in a control panel. Firstly, conductors in a wireway can generate heat, so it is important to ensure there is adequate ventilation or cooling to prevent overheating. Secondly, conductors should be bent with a radius of not less than 8 times the conductor diameter to avoid damage. Thirdly, there should be sufficient space around the wireway for access and maintenance. Fourthly, the wireway should be labeled to indicate its purpose and the conductors it contains. While the National Electrical Code specifies a maximum fill capacity of 50%, it is generally recommended to keep the fill capacity below 40% to allow for expansion of the conductors due to heat and to provide room for future additions. The accepted fill capacity for wiring duct in a control panel is typically 40% or less, as recommended by industry best practices. When installing wiring duct, follow the National Electrical Code fill capacity requirements and consider other factors such as heat generation, wire bending radius, accessibility, and labeling.